It is time to tune the Triumph bobber with a BT Moto tune. Let me show you what's in the box. First, I was impressed with the quality of the box. I mean, this comes with a magnetic cover. It's really cool. Inside, you'll see some paperwork with a QR code to scan that will take you to the website and download the app with all the instructions that you'll need, which I'll go over. And inside, of course, the handheld. And under the handheld, you will see all the cables needed to connect the handheld to the bike and the handheld to the computer. Now, before you place your order for your BT Moto, make sure you identify your diagnostics port. You have to come to the right side of the bike, remove the cover, and you'll see it right here. For me, it was a Euro 4 rectangular. For yours, depending on the year, it may be the Euro 5 6-pin red. Before I begin the installation, I wanted to let you know why I chose BT Moto and not any other tune. Well, for the most part, any other tune that we'll find online, the only thing that they set is the AFR, the air-fuel ratio. That's it, no other setting. So I wanted something a little more than that, and the BT Moto covers it. Let me tell you what that is. It de-restricts the throttle to 100%. The fueling is set per individual cylinder. It makes the engine run cooler with an early fan on. It raises the rev limiter for higher speed, and it removes the top speed limiters. Better mid-range and throttle response. The injector cutoff is smooth since the stock deceleration is too aggressive. And for my own personal reason, you can do it in your own garage. Now, when you receive your handheld, do not connect it to your bike. You have to go to the BT Moto website first to update your handheld. Let me show you how to do that. First, you're gonna have to go to the BT Moto website and create an account. To create an account, you will need your order number. Without it, you cannot. So once you make the purchase, then you can make an account. Once you make an account, log into the BT Moto website, and you will go under resources. Under resources, you will select your bike. As you see here, I've already done that, Triumph Bonneville. Mine is a 2024, and you will go all the way down to the links where it says BT Moto handheld software download, Windows only. Hit go and download. Once you download the app, you will get this app over here, and you will have 4 buttons. Chances are all 3 will be blacked out except for the update. You have to connect your handheld with the USB and hit update. So I have already completed the update on my handheld, so the handheld is ready to be connected to the bike. Now, before you connect the handheld to the bike, make sure you actually have the battery connected to a charger. I'll show you right here how I connected it. Red on red, positive, black on the ground for the negative. And I'm making sure that the battery percentage is healthy. And as you can see here, it's a green sign, which means I'm healthy. When I first connected, it was red, which means the battery was about 25%. This is exactly why you have to connect it to a charger before you start anything. Yes, this process may take only a few minutes, but it may also take very, very long, so you have to be safe. Also, as you noticed, I have the bike in the front wheel chuck. The reason for that is because I want to avoid having the side stand out, because Triumph sometimes can give you issues during installation if the side stand is out. Now, if you don't have a front chuck or a rear stand, you can always sit in the bike, so that way you have the side stand pulled in. Now let's connect the handheld. Connecting the handheld to the diagnostics port. So on the handheld now it says main menu, it says work, reset, setup, and info. We're gonna go hit work and hit select. It read that it's a Triumph. I'm gonna hit select. Now we're gonna find our model as a Bonneville bobber. So now that we found the Bonneville bobber, we're gonna hit select. Yes, select. It says warning, please connect your vehicle to a stabilized battery. See, it even gives you a warning. Okay, we already did this. Okay, it says switch on the dashboard, check the connections and press OK to continue. Okay, gonna switch the dash, meaning probably the key. There you go. And I'm going to hit OK. It says starting communication. Identification ECU, communication in progress. It says switch off the dashboard to continue. Turn off, dashboard off, OK. Protocol identify flash, 0845, okay. Okay, it says reading, tool, and back, so I'll do reading. Disconnect your vehicle to stabilize battery. Yes, it is. Switch on the dashboard, check the connections. Yes. Switching on. Press OK. Okay, we're definitely getting some action here. Reading ECU. Oh yes, we're definitely moving forward now. Make sure these 4 criteria are met. One is the key switch has to be on. The run switch, or the kill switch, has to be in the run position. Bike has to be neutral, and the kickstand has to be up. So let's check some error reading buffer. Okay. Reading ECU. Switch off the dashboard to continue. Dashboard is off, meaning key off, and then hit OK. Reading ECU completed. Hit OK. Wait, analyzing log in progress. All right, it's done. Now we're going to connect the handheld to the laptop. Okay, the handheld is connected to the laptop, and I'm going to go at the app that we downloaded. It says USB communication activated, hit OK. And as you can see now, all 4 buttons are available to select. And the important one right now is the download from My Genius. Basically, it's saying download from your handheld to the laptop, so you can take that file after and upload it to the website, which I'll show you how to. Let's start with download from My Genius. It says the download process was completed successfully. Click finish and you're good. Now you're going to go on the BT Moto website. Under your account, you will go on My Files. And you will see here saying upload file. Click on it. Click here for your order number. Order number is already there. Click on it. And then choose the file. Hit next. And then we'll ask you to add some information here. Add all this information. And then you'll hit next. Okay, now all the information is inserted. I'm going to click next. Perfect, thank you. Your file has been submitted. Now all I need to do is wait for BT Moto to send me the new map so I can upload it into the handheld and from the handheld to my bike. All right, with the magic of editing, I now have the map from BT Moto. You will receive an email, and the email will direct you to your files under your account. When you go under your files, you'll see, you scroll down. Not only will you have your own uploads, which is the stock map, you will also have the new map from BT Moto, which you'll see it right here, and you can click download. Now that the map is downloaded to your computer, you will connect your handheld to your laptop and you will open the BT Moto app. On the BT Moto app, now you will go under Upload to My Genius and click it. And here you will be directed with the steps to upload the map to your BT Moto handheld. All right, the map is successfully uploaded to the handheld. Now let's take the handheld to the bike. Back at the bike, let's load the map. Okay, with the key on, kill switch on, I'm gonna go with the handheld and hit work. See, now it says writing. I'm going to write the new map. You can see the map info, press OK. And we're loading the map. Connect to battery, OK. It's the same process as before. Switch on the dashboard, yes. Same thing. Start communication. It will take you through the process. Identification, ECU, and it will start writing the map. Okay, as you can see, it's prepping the ECU. I'm not gonna wait for the entire process. I'm gonna pause the video and return back when the map is loaded. Okay, so we went through the same process, switching the dashboard on and off, following the instructions, and now I got the message writing ECU completed. That means we have the new map loaded into the bike. And just like that, the BT Moto tune install on my Triumph bobber is completed. Now I can't wait to take it out on a ride review to see what this map can do, but that's for the next video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.